Hello students, chapter 3 theory of equations, formula part 2, Vieta's formula, degree 3 cubic polynomial, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0, alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a, alpha beta beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c by a, alpha beta gamma equal to minus d by a, x cube minus x square into alpha plus beta plus gamma plus x into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha minus alpha beta gamma equal to 0. Degree 4 ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e equal to 0. Sigma alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta equal to minus b by a, alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta plus beta gamma plus beta delta plus gamma delta equal to c by a. Sigma alpha beta gamma equal to alpha beta gamma plus alpha beta delta plus alpha gamma delta plus beta gamma delta equal to d by a, alpha beta gamma delta equal to e by a. Thank you.